Traveling has always been a big part of human life. People travel for different reasons, and these reasons can be grouped into four basic travel motivators. First, physical motivators. Second, cultural motivators. Third, interpersonal motivators. And last, status and prestige motivators. The first motivator is physical motivators. Some people travel to relax, enjoy leisure activities, or improve their health, whether it's taking a break from stressful work, engaging in sport, or seeking medical treatment. This travel focus on physical well-being. Personally, I experience this motivator when I visit resort and go on road trips. I find relaxation in nature, especially in place with fresh air and peaceful surrounding. These trips help me recharge and feel refreshed. The second motivator is cultural motivators. People travel to experience different cultures, learn about history, and explore new traditions. Curiosity about how other people live and their custom often drive this type of travel. I also love learning about different places and cultures. Every time I travel, I observe new things, from the way people dress to the food they eat. This experience helped me appreciate the diversity of the world. The third motivator is interpersonal motivators. Some people travel to meet friends and family, escape their routine, or simply make new connection. Social interaction play a big role in travel. I experience this when I visit my cousin or bond with my family. Spending time with loved ones through travel makes the experience more meaningful. It strengthens relationship and create lasting memories. Lastly, we have status and prestige motivators. Some people travel to enhance their social status, seek personal growth, or gain recognition. Travel to luxurious destination or exclusive event can boost one's prestige. For me, traveling is not just about going to famous places, but about self-improvement. Each trip teaches me something new, whether it's about being independent, adapting new environment, or handling unexpected situation.